Hello and welcome back to another episode of The Daily Dose, brought to you by Velocity Technologies. I'm Angelo, coming to you from Tempe, Arizona. And joining me is my co-host Nia, all the way from Tucson, Arizona. Nia, how are you doing today?
Hi, Angelo. I'm doing great, and I'm really excited about today's topic. We're going to be discussing something crucial for everyone using Windows 11, the encryption feature that keeps your data secure. With the recent buzz, it's definitely time we unpack what users need to know to make sure their data isn't at risk.
Absolutely, Nia. Data security is more important than ever today, and Microsoft's Windows 11 encryption features play a huge role in safeguarding personal and professional information. Let's kick things off by exploring the basics of Windows 11 encryption.
To start, let's clarify what encryption is. Essentially, encryption is a method used to protect data by converting it into a code to prevent unauthorized access. Only those with the correct decryption key can access the original information. Think of it as a lock and key for your digital files.
Exactly, Nia. This process ensures that even if someone gains access to your device, they won't be able to understand or use the data without the decryption key. In the context of Windows 11, encryption is crucial because it protects everything from emails, documents, and even the operating system itself.
Windows 11 offers several layers of encryption to ensure data security. One of the primary features is BitLocker, which can encrypt entire drives. There's also device encryption, which is available for certain devices. Let's break these down a bit more.
Yes, BitLocker is available in Windows 11 Pro, Enterprise, and Education editions. It encrypts entire volumes on your drive, protecting data at rest. Device encryption, on the other hand, is available on more consumer-level devices and provides a more straightforward method of securing data.
So, Angelo, could you walk us through how to set up BitLocker on a Windows 11 device?
Certainly, Nia. To enable BitLocker, first ensure your system meets the hardware requirements, like having a Trusted Platform Module or TPM chip. Then follow these steps. 1. Open the control panel. 2. Navigate to System. In Security, 3. Click on BitLocker Drive Encryption. 4. Select the drive you want to encrypt and click Turn on BitLocker. 5. Follow the on-screen instructions to set a password or use a USB key for unlocking the drive.
It's pretty straightforward, but remember that while BitLocker is powerful, it's essential to store your recovery key safely. Losing it could mean losing access to your data permanently.
That's a great point, Nia. Now, let's discuss device encryption. It's typically available on modern devices with Instant Go, and it's a feature aimed at home users who need a straightforward way to secure their data.
That's right. To check if device encryption is available, you can go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Device Encryption. If device encryption is available, you'll see the option to turn it on. Just click to enable it, and Windows 11 will take care of the rest.
Of course, with technology, things don't always go as planned. Let's talk about some common issues users might face when using Windows 11 encryption features.
One issue that comes up often is BitLocker not starting due to hardware requirements not being met. This can usually be resolved by ensuring TPM is enabled in your BIOS settings.
Another problem could be related to incompatibility with certain third-party hardware or drivers. Keeping your BIOS and drivers updated can prevent these hiccups.
And Angela, what about recovering data if something goes wrong?
If you've backed up your BitLocker recovery key, you can use it to regain access should you get locked out. For device encryption, Microsoft accounts usually back up the recovery key to OneDrive, making it easier to recover if needed.
Now let's discuss why encryption is so crucial in today's digital age. With cyber threats increasing, having encryption is not just a bonus, it's a necessity.
Absolutely, Nia. Encryption protects sensitive information from being accessed by malicious actors, whether it's personal data like financial information or professional data such as client details. Encryption keeps it secure.
The risks of not using encryption are significant. Data breaches can lead to financial loss, identity theft, and reputational damage. It's a risk no one can afford to take lightly.
Exactly. And for businesses, failing to protect data can lead to legal consequences and loss of trust from customers and partners. It really underscores the importance of implementing robust security measures like encryption.
Looking ahead, what can we expect from Windows in terms of encryption technology?
Microsoft is continuously enhancing its security features. We can expect future updates to bring even more advanced encryption technologies, making it easier and more secure for users to protect their data.
Yes, and there's also the possibility of integrating encryption more seamlessly with other technologies such as cloud computing and AI. These advancements could enhance security without compromising usability.
Well, Nia, I think we've covered a lot of ground today, from understanding what encryption is to setting it up on Windows 11 and dealing with potential issues. It's clear that keeping our data secure is more important than ever.
Definitely, Angelo. We hope our listeners have found this information valuable and are now better equipped to protect their data on Windows 11.
Before we sign off, we'd like to remind you that the Daily Dose is brought to you by Velocity Technologies. If you require IT solutions tailored to your business needs, from cybersecurity to managed services, Velocity Technologies has the expertise to help you thrive in the digital world. Visit velocitytechnologies.org to learn more.
Thanks for tuning in, everyone. Stay safe, secure, and we will see you next time on The Daily Dose.
Goodbye, everyone.